Hey, it's Addie Pitt here, back with the conclusion of the live scenario for my career. And so in the L, we looked the weight in the eye, which was acknowledging that I was not happy in my career. The I was identifying the opportunity. So what was my learning opportunity in that? That was an opportunity to get new skills, to get new certifications, to identify what it was I wanted to do in my career in the first place and do some long-term life planning. The F was when I forged my comeback of taking small incremental steps every single day to get to the goal. I made goals and I tracked towards those. And then the T is how I tracked my wins, which I've told you was like video journaling or actually journaling or just tracking the jobs or interviews that I went to, tracking my progress and my certification programs, all of that. And so now we are where we wrap that all up and revisit how that worked. For me, that worked out really well. It is how I landed where I am now, which is a very happy place for me. I get to pick the kind of projects that I work on. I also have other streams of income or revenue that I'm able to generate because I have so much freedom with my schedule, because I picked a path that worked the best for me and the life that I need to live. And so the lift method is super impactful. I feel like it's really helped me to change my life. I will be giving you another scenario next week. So if you want to stay locked in with me and learn more about these lift scenarios or how you can use lift in your life, follow me for more.